You mentioned a bilateral relationship with Pakistan will get triggered.
Yeah.
Pakistan is a nuclear nation.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah. And we have this agreement right now with Pakistan. It's a mutual defense agreement, and there is, like, we can say it literally, that there is a nuclear umbrella over Saudi Arabia, a Pakistani nuclear umbrella over Saudi Arabia, and we appreciate Pakistan, and that does not mean we are not, or that does not mean that we are actually moving away from our strategic partners like the United States and Europe, etc. No, Saudi Arabia is just diversifying its strategic relations. Definitely, Pakistan has been always a steadfast partner and ally of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And what happens in Pakistan affects us, and what happens in Saudi Arabia affects the Pakistanis. And I think, as I said, the last thing that Iran should want is to have Saudi Arabia to enter this war.
Yeah, that's some warning to
absolutely,
Iran.
Absolutely. And I think the rational people within Iran, if there are any rational people, they think and they know that Saudi Arabia should never be in war with Iran, because it's going to be literally devastating for the Iranian region.